Guys, now that we have successfully installed our Openlp, we can quickly open our software by double clicking it, and it will launch. You wait for it to launch. Here it is. Well, so if you install this for this first time, this is not what you are going to see or do. But if you install it using internet access, all this with the songs up here will automatically download. But if you don't use internet while installing the software, you won't see these songs here. So you can choose which one is best for you. If you have internet access, you can install it, and if you don't have, you can just install it and do that later. So now this is the interface of Openlp. So the things we are going to consider here are the file, the view, the tool, settings, and help. So those are just the navigation bar tabs. So now there is a song. This is where all the songs is. This is the Bible. This is the presentation, and this is the images. I've already added the images. This is the media. You can also add a custom slide, but I'm going to show you step by step how to put files inside all these sub folders. And this is the theme manager, where you can change your theme, customize your theme, and the rest. And there's a preview panel, the live panel, everything's inside the Openlp. This is the service manager. So I'm going to discuss each and every one of these one by one. Please pay attention and enjoy yourself. Thank you.